Little tea is being spilled here. I just can't do any more slime videos. What's up, blushers? Welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to say that I'm back home in my hometown and I'm at my parents' house currently, so that's why this filming setup is a little bit different. And also it's very windy outside, so sorry if you guys can hear the wind, but I just needed to make this video ASAP because it's just been something that is like on my heart and on my I don't know, I just feel like I need to talk to you guys and tell you guys what's been going on. So I don't really know exactly where to begin with this whole video, but first off, I did want to just say that I love you guys so much, and literally it's been so much fun making this type of content and creating for you guys, and you guys just loving everything that I've been putting out. It's just been so much fun, and I am just grateful for every single one of you guys who comment on my videos. And even if you don't comment, if you watch all my videos or if you just stumble upon them, I am so grateful and so thankful for every single one of you guys, and it's just been an amazing year and a half since I've been doing slime. It's been amazing. But as of the last few months, I've been really feeling not inspired at all. If you guys check back on my channel, I've literally uploaded one slime video a month, and that's just not okay. And I don't know, I just feel bad because I am just not inspired. It's not like I don't love slime anymore. I still have my slimes that I play with all the time, and it's still something that's always gonna be in my life, but I just don't think I can make any more slime content. I'm kind of burnt out, honestly. If you guys didn't know, I've been on YouTube for 8 years, and I've just been growing this channel, and it's just my baby. I love it so much, but I just can't do any more slime videos. But something that I'm so passionate about and just so happy that I got into is my vlog channel, which if you guys didn't know I even had a vlog channel, it's Leah's Life. And I started that channel I think around the same time that I made my slime channel, just so that I could have 2 different channels, one slime and one vlog. And I've just been getting way more into the vlogging scheme of things. There's just more to me than slime, so that's why I really like the outlet of just showing you guys my life. And I love going thrifting and fashion and cooking and home decor, and there's just so much more to me than just slime. So like I mentioned, I'm really getting into thrifting and sustainability and and fashion, just stuff like that that's more lifestyle, I guess. I'm gonna be starting to post that kind of content on this channel. So yeah, I'm actually gonna be changing this channel's name to Leah Prips. This is the first time I've ever changed the name of this channel, and I just think it's time, and I just want it to be myself represented, not just my slime. And I hope you guys will understand. Obviously, I think some of you guys will totally understand, but I also think maybe there's some of you guys that will be really sad and disappointed. I would absolutely love it if you guys stuck around because you guys mean so much to me, and I would hate to lose you guys as subscribers. But again, I understand if you just came here for slime, that's totally understandable. This is just something that I really need to do for myself, and I know it will make me happy in the long run. I again just want to say thank you guys so much for so much support over this last year and a half, and it just has meant so much to me. I have truly loved being in the slime community and just making slime and just testing out slime, and I love your guys' support on my videos and everything. But just for myself and moving forward in my life, I just need to make this change. I know it's really scary, and I'm sure I will lose a ton of subscribers and the views will go down and everything like that, but I just need to do this for myself. I just need to do something that really sparks me on fire. What does that mean? I really need to do something that sparks my heart. What am I trying to say? I really need to do something that really fires me up and makes me want to make content, because for a while I was really enjoying the slime content. I was so happy to wake up and start filming, but just as of 4 months ago or so, I've just not felt inspired, and I don't know, I just can't keep going on like that. I guess I just need to do something. I just need to switch something. I need to change something around, and that is changing up my slime content for more lifestyle content. I totally understand if you guys just came for slime and you're okay, she's not doing slime anymore, peace out, nice knowing ya, bye. I'm really excited for this new adventure. I think it's just gonna be amazing, and I've been putting off making this video just because I'm really sad, and also I don't want to disappoint you guys, and I don't know, I feel bad, but at the same time, for me going forward in life, this is the right step. I've talked to so many different people, and they all agreed that this is something I should do. And yeah, I'm just really excited, and I hope you guys understand. I love you guys so much. You guys will always be my blushers. And also, I just wanted to address my slime shop, which was West Coast Slime Shop, and that is no longer happening, as you guys probably guessed, because, okay, little tea is being spilled here. Well, not really, but basically, I made the slime shop because at that point, I was at the peak of my just loving slime. I just love like the creativity behind it, and you guys are all just so creative. All the slime shops are just amazing, and it really inspired me to make my own because I just love that you can like create the scents, create like the different names, the textures. It was just so exciting to me. And I created my West Coast slime shop. I was so proud of it. I literally took days creating the actual slime, like the actual like formula of the slime. I tested out so many different slimes, and I finally created my 3 slimes, and I was so proud of them, and I still am proud of them today. And it was just like a lot of work, and I really want to say that anybody who has a slime shop, like kudos to you, because it is such hard work. It is not easy. And I really just wanted to see if I could make my own slime shop, and I definitely succeeded in making it. I'm so thankful for everybody who bought my slime. And yeah, it was so much fun, but at the same time, like I felt so drained by it, and I felt like I just was trying to keep up with everybody and like the trends, and like it was just so like kind of suffocating. And so I just like stopped making slime. It wasn't fun anymore, and I just didn't want to keep doing something that didn't bring me joy. And yeah, so that's where my slime shop went, and I still have an Instagram for it, but that is probably going to be changed soon. I don't know what it's going to be changed to, because I was getting comments of like, when are you going to do another restock, or where's your slime shop? Do you still have one? And the answer is no, I do not have a slime shop anymore. So things that you can expect on this channel will be fashion, thrifting, home decor, hauls, food, like cooking videos. I really want to get more into cooking, and just like lifestyle videos like that. And then on my other channel, Leah's Life, that one will be strictly just vlogs. So make sure that you guys subscribe to that channel for vlogs, and this channel, stay subscribed if you guys want to see what I put out next. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys understand, and I love you guys so much still, and I would love for you guys to just continue on this journey with me, because this is my life. This is just where I'm at. And also, just a little plus, I'm going to be putting out way more videos than I have been, so that's always a good thing. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys all have a great day. I love you guys so much, and be on lookout for new videos coming shortly. Peace and blessings. Love you guys so much.